Hey everyone, David Twyble here. Today I have a short operational tip for you that came up while I was working with a student today. I was out teaching in the King Air for my day job, and we pulled into the run-up area to do our normal run-up procedures. And the student set the parking brake and was still holding the brakes and did the run-up. And partway through the run-up, the airplane lurched forward a little bit, and he caught it with the brakes, and it wasn't a big issue. But it did bring up an important point that I like to share with my students and fellow pilots, which is that when you pull into the run-up area, we all know don't point your tail at other airplanes, look out for ground vehicles, point into the wind. We all know these things. But one little point that's worth remembering is try to point the airplane between the taxiway lights. That way, if your brakes ever let go, or if you get a large amount of thrust that pulls the airplane through the brakes, hopefully you'll miss the lights as you go between them. Hopefully something that you never encounter, but who knows, maybe it could save your bacon someday. So point it between the lights when you do the run-up. Until next time, fly safe.